Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to find the slide name in Keynote on your phone. Let's get started. First open the Keynote on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are there, select the presentation you want to see. Now go to the slide navigator on the left side of the screen. You will see small thumbnail preview of all your slides. Tap the slide you want to see. Next, look at the top of the screen and tap the format button which looks like a paintbrush. Here you will see an option for slide layout and slide title. The title shown here is the name of its slide. If your slide doesn't have a title yet, you can tap the text box at the top of the slide to add one. This title will then appear as the slide name in the navigator. Knowing your slide name is helpful when you are navigating a large presentation or sharing it with others. And that's it. Now you know how to find and set the slide name in Keynote on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.